This holiday season, go the extra mile and bring your displays together beautifully with this remote-controlled outdoor power outlet yardstake with built-in Photocell timer from PLT. Designed to blend in seamlessly with your lawn and greenery, this 3-outlet power stake lets you power up to 1,675 watts worth of lights. This means there will be no more noticeable extension cords covering your yard. This yardstake is easy to install and sets up in a matter of minutes. First, insert the stake into the ground and connect it to an outlet using the power cord. Next, open the waterproof covers and plug in your lights. Finally, use the buttons on the Photocell timer to choose either dusk-to-dawn operation or preset on-off times. The timer can also be controlled with the included remote control, allowing you to easily adjust on and off times from the comfort and warmth of your home. Find these and other high-quality Christmas lights by calling 855-948-5079 or shopping at 1000bulbs.com.